Change your printer email address to a custom, easy-to-remember address for receiving print jobs from any device. On your computer or mobile device, go to hpconnected.com/sign in. Enter the email address associated with your account and then select Next. Enter your password and then select Sign In. If multiple printers are linked to your account, find the printer you want to update and then select Change Settings. Otherwise, your printer settings display automatically. In the ePrint Address section, enter a new email address for your printer and then select Submit. If the email address entered is not available, enter a different address and then select Submit. The address updates, and you can resume sending ePrint jobs using the new printer email address.